Hello there, my name is Jolita Brilliant, the founder of Brilliant Massage and Skin, Brilliant Franchise. And today I wanted to talk about systems and processes in the business. And that's one of the things why it makes franchise businesses so valuable and sought after, because of systems and processes. If you're a solopreneur or a small business or a big business, to increase the value and make the business sellable, you are going to want to create systems and processes. Even if you don't want to sell it, maybe you want your kids to take over the business or a family member, because business will die. If you die, business will die. And it will make the training of employees much harder. If someone leaves and then the next person you have to retrain again, that's what a lot of small businesses suffer from. So write down, take the notes, and make a playbook, make a Bible, make manuals. And that's what we have, that's what we do. And when someone joins the franchise system, they get that manual, the playbook, the tips, the videos, all the content, how to hire, how to order, what to order when, how to deal with this situation, customer, how to answer the phone, how to fold, the blankets, all those important things. And then you want your system to be searchable. If you can't find what's in it, then what's the point of it? Do it a digital way so it's easy to search in it. And if you are a solopreneur, you want to grow bigger, you could join a system such as franchise and use their systems and processes to, onboard employees, grow a bigger business, because it can be hard to develop those on your own. So wanted to share this. I'm here at the vlogs day 5 in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and tomorrow heading back home to Vermont. And I'll see you soon in the next video. You guys have a brilliant day. Please subscribe, join our weekly Q&A webinar for free about spa and skincare, and I will see you there, or I'll see you next video.